Sunday, November 26, 2023. Bells Ferry Road, Cherokee County, Georgia. A Hyundai Santa Fe was clocked at 75 miles per hour in a 40 miles per hour zone, driven by Demetrius Rumpf, a wanted man known for fleeing police. When officers tried to stop him, Rumpf sped up, ran red lights, and entered I-575. At Ridgewalk Parkway, he rammed a patrol car, knocking an officer to the ground. Rumpf then fled on foot, but was swiftly tasered and taken into custody. After medical clearance, he was jailed. Slamming into cops to escape, Rumpf just fast-tracked his way from high speed to high security. Monday, February 3rd, 2025, 7:51 p.m, I-40 Arkansas. An orange and black Dodge Charger was clocked at 83 miles per hour in a 65 miles per hour zone. Driver Brandon Williams initially complied, but suddenly fled, hitting over 140 miles per hour while weaving through traffic. He tossed a Ziploc bag with 90 grams of marijuana out the window before being boxed in and arrested without resistance.
Are you wanting to patch with Washington County or are you not going?
No, you can patch us.
And partial license.
Continuing eastbound or
speeds over 100 from this W1.
Can't do it here either. Just wrecked out. Just wrecked out here at 70.
More marijuana and a digital scale were found in the car. Williams now faces charges for speeding, no insurance, reckless driving, fleeing, property damage and drug possession with intent to distribute. He might have thought he was in a Fast and Furious sequel. Too bad the only gear he's shifting now is jail time. Thursday, February 6th, 2025, 9:36 p.m, I-630 Arkansas. Tavares Mitchell was spotted speeding over 107 miles per hour on an unlicensed motorcycle in a 60 miles per hour zone. He fled from police, reaching 109 miles per hour through city streets. Before officers forced him off the bike with a TVI. Mitchell ran on foot, but was tasered and subdued after resisting arrest. He had no valid licence or registration and admitted to attempting suicide earlier that day. Taken to hospital for treatment, Mitchell now faces multiple charges including felony fleeing, no insurance, expired licence and unregistered vehicle. Riding a no-plate bike at warp speed might feel cool, until reality hits like a taser to the ribs. Monday, March 2nd, 2025, 7:51 p.m, Interstate 40, Arkansas. Police clocked an orange-black Dodge Charger at 83 miles per hour in a 65 zone. Driver Brandon Williams denied having anything illegal, but as he was asked to step out, he hit the gas and fled at over 140 miles per hour. The chase ended when officers pinned him near mile 284. Williams tried to ram a patrol car, then tossed out a Ziploc bag with 90 grams of marijuana. A digital scale and more weed were also found. Patrol car damage exceeded $5,000. Fast car, weed stash. But Williams earned himself a first-class ticket to jail.
I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground.
I got better fucking stay there. How about that? It's unlocked. It's unlocked. Alright, got him covered? Yeah. Alright, cover him. There's a weed he tried to throw. Yeah, I know. That's all. Good job. 23, we're 10:15.
10:15.
Clear the net.
Okay, we're 10:15 time, 7:58 p.m.
Put your chest on hood. Yes, sir. We got 2 Kias.
Friday, January 5th, 2024, 8:30 p.m, Eastern Avenue and 44th Street, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Police spotted a stolen Kia Optima linked to teens breaking into cars at a Speedway gas station. When signalled to stop, the driver floored it, blasting through red lights at over 100 miles per hour through Kentwood, Wyoming and Grand Rapids.
6118, we're in. Silver 16 call, that blue SUV continues eastbound, the white Kia is northbound. Eastern.
Alright, we're with White.
Passing through 40th, passing through 40th. Okay.
Roger, go ahead.
Alexander.
You're good. You're good, right?
And Alexander. You can disregard. Coming out Hall. And westbound on the Hall. Westbound on the Hall. Westbound on the Hall.
Good.
And north on Benjamin. North on Benjamin. Northbound on Benjamin. And west on the 5th. West on the 5th again. Slowing up, coming to a stop. Passenger O, running northbound.
Near Fisk Street, 2 teens bailed out and ran, but MSP Aviation tracked them down hiding in nearby yard. The stolen car was recovered and both were booked into Kent County Juvenile Detention. Stealing cars to outrun the cops, these kids just drove straight into a locked-up weekend.
Driving? Yeah. You hear the helicopter, right, Dummy? Yeah.
At that corner house. Driver in custody. You got I got weed on me and everything. One outstanding.
You see my phone when I dropped it? Nope. Y'all the state boys? Yep. I already knew it. They're not letting go.
41-4. See if Hero can respond. It's starting 85 for 1.
Thursday, July 25th, 2024, Clayton County, Georgia. A deputy tried to stop a Dodge Charger over a broken headlight, but the driver fled, sparking a high-speed pursuit.
Here. 2614, we'll have the number 1 and number 2 lanes of 75 northbound shutdown at Jonesboro Road. Yeah.
Black on fire. I'll be coming up to Fitzgerald Way and Holy Hill Way. Fitzgerald Way and Holy Hill Way.
Fitzgerald Hill. Can I do the vehicle stop?
I got a passenger. All right, I'm in pursuit. Passenger just got out the vehicle. All right, go ahead, hold track for me. All right, we'll be going southbound Fitzgerald, speeds 100, traffic light.
Southbound Fitzgerald.
Passenger got out the vehicle. I'm setting up to take the vehicle off the road. Stand by.
Stand by, where you at?
Southbound Fitzgerald, speeds 100, traffic none. Get ready to come up to the intersection.
After crashing, the driver was taken into custody. Turns out he had multiple outstanding warrants and had evaded several agencies before. Officers found 40 grams of marijuana, stolen credit cards and IDs, plus numerous fake checks. A busted headlight might have drawn attention, but what really lit him up was that criminal jackpot in the car.
Get on the ground if I take you. Get on the goddamn ground. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Commands. Put your hands behind your back. You move, I'm gonna get my dog to bite you.
Yes, man. Careful, like, you're in picture off.
Radio, got my guy in custody.